Hello everyone, this is Kara. In the previous tutorials, we have learned many interesting video effects. And today I will show you how to quickly apply composite materials and how to easily create three-dimensional special effects. Just follow tutorials step by step and you will be able to do it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. We'll need to prepare some materials first. For example, some black background lighting materials and these petal materials with a transparent background. Also, some video materials that match materials. And you can choose the materials according to your preference. Next, we import all the materials into VideoProc Vlogger. Then first, put the switch material on the main track. If the video size doesn't match a sequence, you can choose to align it by height. Then we move the playhead to preview it, and find a suitable position to insert the lighting, such as when the head turns, which is quite suitable. We cut off the extra part at the beginning, and then split the material at the position where the head turn is complete. Click here to save a screenshot. Then we open this website and import the screenshot into it. The website will automatically help us cut out the main character. Next, we click here to download the cutout image. Then import a screenshot and the cutout image together into VideoProc Vlogger. Place the screenshot in the position and the cutout image on the overlay track. In the inspector, choose to align by height. Then we click here to create a new overlay track and place a lighting material on the new overlay track. In the inspector, choose to align by height. You can see now the lighting materials cover the video. We scroll down to find the blend mode and choose lighten. You can see now the black part has disappeared, but we want the lighting material to be applied between the character and the background. We click here to drag the overlay track to this position. Now let's play it again. Great! Now the character is in front of the lighting, but I feel the lighting frequency is too close. We can select this material, then move the playhead and split the material at the end of the lighting. Then move the split material back to create some gaps in the lighting. I will quickly do this here. After it's done, we can add some music and sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. Let's see the final result. Well, not bad. If the material itself has transparent background, our method is the same as before. Just place it on the overlay track. If you find the edges of the petals looks a bit noisy, you can also try choosing lighten in the blend mode. See, now the edges look more delicate. Well, that's all for today's video. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!